Welcome to Manchester After Dark. Our 200th nightlife walk takes you through streets buzzing with energy, neon lights, and unforgettable sounds. From historic buildings to modern bars, the city offers a unique mix of tradition and contemporary culture. Every alleyway and plaza has its charm, revealing hidden gems and local favorites. Whether you enjoy live music, cocktails, or just people watching, this walk shows why Manchester is a nightlife hotspot. Step into a world where the night is alive with possibilities, and join us on a journey through one of the UK's most vibrant urban playgrounds. Welcome to another evening in the heart of Manchester. Tonight, we continue exploring the city's vibrant nightlife, uncovering hidden gems, bustling streets, and iconic venues that make Manchester a top destination for evening entertainment. From historic alleys to modern urban spaces, every step reveals the city's character and energy. Our journey begins near St. Peter's Square, a central hub where the city's historic architecture meets modern developments. The square itself is alive with movement, commuters heading home, tourists snapping photos, and locals enjoying the early evening air. The historic town hall stands proudly, its illuminated facade reflecting in the wet pavements. Street performers entertain small crowds, their music blending with the distant hum of traffic and the occasional siren, creating a lively urban soundtrack. The mix of old and new is immediately apparent, providing a perfect starting point for our nightlife exploration. Walking north, we enter the Northern Quarter, Manchester's cultural and artistic heart. Known for its creative energy, this district is home to boutique shops, eclectic bars, and vibrant street art. Alleyways open into hidden courtyards where murals tell stories of the city's past, present, and aspirations. Neon lights flicker from various establishments, inviting passers-by to explore further. The aroma of street food, from sizzling kebabs to sweet churros, fills the air, complementing the soundscape of laughter, conversation, and live music. The Northern Quarter is where Manchester's individuality truly shines, offering a nightlife experience unlike any other. Our first stop is a classic pub, combining traditional charm with a lively atmosphere. Inside, wooden beams, vintage posters, and low lighting create an intimate setting. Locals chat over pints of craft beer, while a live acoustic set adds to the ambience. The blend of history and contemporary enjoyment is palpable. This is the kind of venue where stories are shared, friendships are formed, and music enhances every moment. Pints are poured, cocktails are mixed, and the hum of conversation makes the space feel warm and inviting. As we continue, we encounter a cluster of live music venues. Manchester has a storied musical heritage, and tonight we witness its living legacy. Bands prepare for performances, sound checks echo through the hallways, and audiences gather outside in anticipation. Each venue has its own character, some intimate, fostering close connections between musicians and fans, others grand, hosting larger audiences and creating immersive audiovisual experiences. The energy in these venues is palpable, a combination of excitement, anticipation, and reverence for the city's musical history. Turning toward Canal Street, we enter Manchester's LGBTQ+ hub, a district that celebrates diversity, inclusion, and celebration. Rainbow lights illuminate the canals, reflecting in the water and creating a vibrant spectacle. Bars and clubs spill music into the streets, and people from all walks of life gather to enjoy a night of freedom and fun. The area is inclusive and welcoming, with an atmosphere that encourages expression and connection. Outdoor seating areas buzz with conversation, laughter, and clinking glasses, while DJs inside keep the crowd moving to the rhythm of the night. Continuing along Deansgate Locks, we find a modern nightlife district with sleek bars, restaurants, and lounges. Industrial chic architecture, glass facades, and ambient lighting set the tone. Outdoor terraces offer warmth and social spaces, while indoor areas pulse with music. Patrons enjoy craft cocktails, fine wines, and global cuisines, creating a rich sensory experience. Deansgate Locks represents Manchester's ability to combine style, comfort, and excitement, appealing to both locals and tourists seeking a sophisticated nightlife experience. The streets themselves tell stories. Brickwork and cobblestones hint at Manchester's industrial past, while neon signage and modern installations highlight its contemporary identity. Street performers, buskers, and live acts add character, creating a dynamic and interactive environment. Each step immerses visitors in a narrative, history, culture, and entertainment all intersecting in the city's urban landscape. Ambient sounds, from distant music to conversation and footsteps, form a rich soundtrack for the night. As we approach Spinningfields, the mood shifts to a more upscale ambience. Rooftop bars, elegant lounges, and fine dining establishments dominate the area. People gather to enjoy cocktails and panoramic views of the city, while live music or DJs provide a sophisticated backdrop. The visual spectacle is enhanced by modern lighting, reflective surfaces, and sleek designs. Spinningfields demonstrates Manchester's versatility, able to cater to high-end nightlife seekers while maintaining the city's characteristic energy. While the city is alive with activity, quiet moments are never far away. Along the canals or in hidden courtyards, one can find spaces to pause and appreciate the beauty of Manchester at night. Reflections on the water, distant hums of nightlife, and gentle street lighting create serene pockets amidst the vibrant streets. These areas offer a balance, reminding visitors that nightlife is not only about constant motion but also about moments of contemplation and connection. Historic pubs continue to dot the landscape, offering intimate spaces where time seems to slow. Patrons share stories over locally brewed alesh, while traditional music or trivia nights fill the air with friendly energy. These establishments provide continuity with Manchester's past, offering a sense of identity and belonging in a rapidly changing urban environment. They are living pieces of history, integral to the city's cultural and social fabric. Food plays an essential role in Manchester's nightlife. Street food vendors, late-night restaurants, and gourmet establishments offer flavors that complement the night's energy. From classic British dishes to international specialties, the city's culinary scene reflects its multicultural population. Walking through these areas, you'll experience a symphony of aromas: grilled meats, fragrant spices, fresh pastries, all contributing to a holistic nightlife experience. Culinary offerings fuel the night, energizing explorers as they move between districts. As the evening deepens, clubs and venues reach peak energy. Pulsating music, vibrant lights, and dancing crowds dominate the streets and interiors. Manchester's club scene is diverse, offering electronic, pop, indie, and jazz experiences. Dance floors teem with movement, while VIP areas provide exclusive social spaces. The interplay of sound, lighting, and crowd energy creates a sensory immersion unique to Manchester. Neon signs and reflective surfaces amplify the spectacle, making the city a visual and auditory feast. The essence of Manchester nightlife is more than music, drinks, or dancing. It's a holistic experience. Architecture, history, culture, and social energy intertwine to create a dynamic urban environment. Every district, from Northern Quarter to Spinningfields, offers its own narrative, blending tradition with modernity. Exploring the city at night allows visitors to connect with its identity, meet diverse people, and immerse themselves in unique cultural experiences. Tonight's walk highlights Manchester's ability to cater to all types of nightlife seekers. From quiet corners and historic pubs to bustling clubs and modern lounges, the city is a mosaic of experiences. Every step introduces new sights, sounds, and interactions, making each night an opportunity for discovery. The city's neighborhoods, venues, and streets combine to create a continuous, engaging nocturnal adventure. As we conclude,
go in later. Who wants some fish? Yeah, that's mine. Like at the bottom, the line of. You doing? Hey girl, whose shoes are you wearing?
Our Manchester night walk ends here, but the excitement continues. Thanks for watching. Hit like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated. Explore with us again as we uncover hidden gems, bustling streets, and vibrant nightlife, experiencing Manchester's lights, sounds, and energy one step at a time.